Subscribe to Cooking and Travel by Dr. Papure Borua and press on the bell icon for all notifications.
So I've chosen here basa fish. You can choose any fish, but it's good if you do not have many bones there. These basa fish pieces I'm now going to marinate with salt, ginger garlic paste. So here I have given around 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and a little bit of salt there. Be careful with the salt when you're using sea fish like I'm using now, basa, because it normally has its own natural salt there, and a little bit of oil there. I'm using vegetable oil there. I'll just let it marinate there for 15 minutes. Just smear it properly and let it marinate for 15 minutes. And we're going to have the Amritsari fish after this. Now for the batter, I have taken here around 5 big tablespoons of gram flour, or what we call besan, and we just give the salt. But we need to remember we've already given some salt in the fish. Just for the batter we are giving in some salt there. And you can use chopped ginger garlic. I'm using ginger garlic paste here, 1.5 teaspoons there. And I'll also use some hing. You can use carom seeds or ajwain, but I'm avoiding that. I've just given a pinch of hing or asafoetida and 1 egg. I just use some water and make a batter. In a batter, it's such a batter that I can soak my the piece of fish and fry them. I'm also using some Kashmiri red chili powder because I love the color there. Now this is, I have given some water, but this is very thick, so I just need a little more of water. See, the consistency is very thick, so I'll add some water, and then, but not very watery, however, just a little more of water, and then we give it a nice twirl there, and you just let it be there for at least 10 minutes, and then the batter is perfect to be deep fried. I mean, we need to soak the fishes, or in fact deep the fishes here and deep fry. So I've heated the pan. I've used 3 big tablespoons of oil. This is mustard oil. I normally prefer mustard oil in frying fishes there, and we'll let it smoke there. And now we will just fry the pieces of fish. Now we are going to do something like this. We are going to soak the pieces of fish in the batter completely, and drop in such a manner that we have some batter sticking on to the fish there. So this goes in there, soft and nice there. We'll do it on medium to low heat because we want the entire thing to be cooked till the bottom, till the center, till everything, right? So you're doing it on very medium to low heat. So after around 2 minutes, we just turn it over with beautiful golden color on the top, and we are really waiting for it to really cook into the center. So another 2 minutes on the sides. So while I'm frying it, I just try to pierce into, so that the oil can actually penetrate into the pieces. I'm doing it, as you can see, it's very slow flame because I'm worried it might not really cook up. So I'm giving it time to really cook up. See how crispy it becomes. And Amritsari fish is a delicacy. I tell you, it's a delicacy. You need to try it out. So that's my Amritsari fish fry ready to be served and really devoured. I can say it's so crispy. You can see that it's so crispy and nice, and it's juicy and nice, and it's a recipe you really need to try out. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.